Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, Rebecca Stew and the crew. I'm Rebecca, and today we have a new Dollar Tree video for you guys to see what's new and what's been restocked. I'm losing my voice. I'm going to try to make it all the way through this video, so please bear with me. I know I sound a little bit funny this week, but let's go shopping and see what's new. We'll start in apparel and accessories. They have these Youngster brand slippers with the Sherpa inside and the fur on the outside. They also have some geared towards younger kids and teens with the character faces like Woody and Buzz Lightyear. Then we've got the solid colors like yellow, lilac, and pink in time for spring. Also some new cosmetic bags with the pink pom-poms and the gold zippers. You can get the one with the rounded top or the square. We have these cosmetic bags with the blue and white. They have a geometric pattern. We've got the yellow and white and the dark blue and white. Some new tote bags. We have the extra large Mickey and Minnie Mouse tote bags. They had one that was Mickey, Minnie, like Donald and Daisy Duck, Pluto and Goofy. The new Little Mermaid bag. The Ninja Turtles. In the movie Wish, there's also the Troll Dolls. It says True Harmony. Over in Arts and Crafts, this week they have a bunch of the wood blocks that you can paint to look like the faux wood books. They have them in 3 different sizes. This one's the 5x7. They have the chalkboards in the rectangle or the square signs with the wood slat at the top. So there's also these large DIY wooden feathers and branches with the flowers and berries. These are between 12 and 10 inches, depending on which one you get. They're quite large. They all have the hanger already attached on the end, and you can decorate either side. We've got the DIY wooden bunnies. They have the bunnies with the tail and paws in the background. And there's also the 10x10 signs that say Wakey Wakey Eggs and Bakey, Farm Life, Heifer Please, and Home is Where the Herd Is. These are all 10x10. They have the 3D effects with the picture that is on the background. Really cute for just $1.25. These large infinity wreath signs that you can decorate with the word love. They also had their acrylic and cotton yarn. A few rolls of the Chanel were left, but this week mainly it was the acrylic and the cotton that they had restocked. We've also got some other craft supplies like the springtime flowers restocked, which always seem to go pretty quickly, and these praying fabric markers in a 6-pack. It has a paintbrush tip, and you set them with an iron. There's also this creative rolls of fabric, lots of different colors. We've got the patterns, tie-dye, there's some honeycomb, stripes, polka dots, and then we've got the printed fabric that has like daisies, different bugs and animals on the front, and there's even some that look like some like stickers you'd put in a scrapbook. They have the blue background with some feathers and then the little flowers. There's the bumblebees with the honeycomb and flowers, of course. And then for Easter, they have their bunnies with some other woodland animals like squirrels and butterflies, lots of flowers. For the baby and toddler items, we have the musical toys. There's this little dinosaur, a musical radio. They also had the piano and a guitar. They do take batteries. I can't remember what size that they take, but you do need to get some batteries for those. Then we've got these baby booties by Fiddlesticks. They're 0 to 6 months. There's the panda bears on the yellow, and then we've got the purple booties, which are so cute. They've got these little zebras on them, and it has the zebra stripes in purple back and forth. There's the Playtex diaper rash cream in a full-size bottle, and that is 40% zinc oxide. Now for the health and beauty, we'll start with the cosmetics first. They have the LA Colors Cheeky and Peachy Peach Scented. There's like a blush. It's like a cream blush. There's also the lip oil, the lip balm. It's a glitter lip balm, and the lip gloss. So 2 of them. It says you can use them on your cheeks and your lips, and it tints pink. Over in the hair care, just some new hair clips this week. We've got the gray cards with the 2-pack of the barrettes. We've got the pearls in the chain and the white. There's the pink chain and then the light brown chain color. There's also the bobby pins on the gold bobby pin. Those are the extra large sizes with the pearls. And then I know I showed you guys these scrunchies either Tuesday or Friday of last week. And I wanted to show you guys, they also have a coordinating bow that you can get. It's the same color as the purple and the blue. They're made from the same material. And now for pharmacy and personal care items. We've got the Derma Antiperspirant Secret Fragrance Free Antiperspirant. It's good. You can use it like on your face if you wanted to, like before you put your foundation on, which is really great for the summertime. Over in Fun Finds, they have the yoga mats, which were $12.99 around Christmas time, just $1.25 that they're selling. There's a 3-pack of the boomerangs for outside toys for spring, and then the DC Ushis, which are like those squishy toys that are collectible, and it shows you which ones you can get on the back, and the little eggs that they come in. Over for the home decor, we've got this framed chalkboards in the rectangle or in the oval. They have them with, of course, the gold frame. They have an easel back, so you can set these up on a shelf, or it has the little tag on the back that you can hang them with. It's already attached. Then there's the faux wood slices. We saw these about a month or so ago. They say, welcome, blessed, and love. It has the beads at the top as a hanger, the wood slice, little bow, and some greenery. We've also got these wood medallions in white, gray, and black as the tassels and the beads. It's a hanging decoration. They're so pretty. And we've got in the home library, office supplies and teaching tree section, the caddies for carrying your art supplies. Those are now in the green, yellow, red, and blue. And it has the 6 large cups for organizing your craft supplies while you're crafting. And they have the Jot brand pegboard system brought back in. They had all of the pieces there this week. We've got the long rectangular trays. There's the shorter trays with no sides. We've got the trays with sides, all the different hooks and holders. They had the larger pegboards and the rectangle. I did not see the miniature squares. That's the one I did not see this week. But they've got all the hooks and everything, even the little sticky tabs to attach them to the wall. And I've had mine up for over a year and it's doing great. So I highly recommend those. The Jot brand desk organizers, they come in this really pretty teal. They also have it in purple, pink, and in blue. And now for the housewares, home maintenance, storage, and organization. These wire bins by Closet Essentials. They had some more of these at different stores this week. So I think just about every store I've gone to now has these baskets to some degree. They might not have a lot, but they do have them. Keep your eye out for them. They're super popular. All these pretty pastel colors that they have out this year. I also found these collapsible baskets. I like that they have a handle and they're not just a crate like the ones that they usually carry. For the kitchen and pantry items, they have out some springtime towels that say like Happy Easter, Happy Spring. They've got the blue trucks on them, Easter eggs, some different flowers and things like that. They have the wreaths as well in the green and white. And then you'll get the hot pad holders, which coordinate with all of these. And you'll get some placemats as well. We've seen the placemats in some of these hot pad holders before. I know these were out last spring, but the actual placemats are really nice. They're double-sided, really pretty for springtime. Lots of bright, pretty flowers. And for the party supplies, we have some new bows. These are some extra large neon bows. You get 2 per card for the $1.25. And then these extra large purse gift bags, which are great. These would be great for stocking up and using for like Mother's Day gifts. Just the way that the style of the bag is really cute and a lot larger than the ones they had out last year. Then I found these floral leaves banner. You get 1 piece. And I think it's 4 feet long, but it looks like it would be cute around the border of like a table or a door frame. They also have these multicolored pails for the party supplies. For pet care, we've got the buffalo lung chew and the dog femur bone. Now for the seasonal items, we will first start with like Easter style items. They've got these extra large carrot picks. The books, these are the hardback books for little ones. They won't rip them up. There's like a fox, the bunny, the little chick, and then the llamas or alpacas. I think these are the llamas. Then we've got the DIY wood crosses that you can make. They also have these large wood signs. I like these a lot. These are pretty big. They're like at 11 by 13 or 14. They're quite large. Has some 3D effects to it. There's a couple different ones. Now these round ones with the half beads, you have to be careful because sometimes the beads pop off. So really inspect the one that you're going to get before you get it. Because I'd hate for you guys to grab one, get home and see that the beads are missing. We've got the large stuffed bunnies restocked for the $1.25. The 2-piece tubs, it has Easter eggs. One says Hoppy and he's holding a little Easter egg. And then they have the one with the truck on it. They also have some little bins with the lids and the handles. They're kind of like a miniature paint pail. Those come in a couple different colors. They've got the yellow one with the chick on it, pink with the Easter egg. It says so excited for Easter. And the other one says like hop on it. Then we've got the furry friends. I love their feet with the gold accent and their rainbow kind of pastel colors on their feet, nice and large. They have the ears and the feet kind of decorated, and they're put up quite nicely in the store this time around. We've got these 2-pack of the bunny bags with the drawstring, and then these large MDF wood cutouts. I love these so much, you guys. These are like an inch thick, and they're just $1.25. They've got the carrot, the chick, and an Easter egg. You could paint these. You can decorate them with vinyl. There's so much you could do with these little tabletop signs. Now for the toys, games, and puzzles, they have the Legos, which is the cityscape, all the different places like the Burger Delicious, which is a restaurant that comes with like 64 pieces. They also have the Chicken Shack there and the grocery store and the pizza place. And each one has different amount of pieces there. They have the highlights, hidden picture puzzles. There's 3 of them. They're 100 pieces each. Now for the Dollar Tree Plus, which is the $3 to $5 section, they have the metal spinners for $5 with the sunflowers. There's also this blue one here. That's what one large flower with the smaller flower in the center. And we've got the copper spinner. And here's what it looks like on the back, fully assembled. There's 75 LED wire lights that you could use outside. The large stuffed bunnies. I love these ones so much because they always have the floppy ears and the larger feet, so you could actually cricket these if you want to personalize them with the iron-on vinyl. And they're so cute. I love this pastel tie-dye looking bunny. The colors are so pretty and soft. Then we've got the topiary trees with the eggs. There's 2 of those for $5. They brought back the Some Bunny Loves You, Bunny Kisses, and Easter Wishes, and then Happy Easter. These large stuffed animals, I love their legs with little stripes and the big feet at the bottom. I thought those were so cute. We've also got the 4-pack of cloth napkins for $3 with the coordinating runner, which is $5. You can get the plaid one, has the matching cloth napkins. We've got the white background with the plaid, the blue and white. And here's a liner on the back. And then the last set of napkins here. And those all have the coordinating runner. And that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And thank you for bearing with me. I hope you could hear me okay. I hope y'all have a lovely weekend, and I'll see you next time.